I'm going to show you how to create and use simple macros in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and have the text or the form available to create the macro. Select it by highlighting the text starting at the bottom and working up. Click Insert on the ribbon, then click Quick Parts, Auto Text, go over and down to Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. Choose a name for your macro that will be easy to remember, but not something that you'll accidentally type in. I begin my macros with a backslash. Here I have our company's letterhead, so I will name this macro \letterhead. Let's test it out. \letter. And you see already the computer recognizes that I want to insert this macro into my document. And there it is. Here's a couple other applications for this tip. Late bill. Let's say you have a client who owes you money and you want to send a reminder notice. This is a quick macro that you can create and then use it when you need to send something like this. Let's say you need to write a formal letter to your client and email it to your client, but you don't just want to type out a simple email. You want something that has a signature, something that looks professional. Here's a macro I've created called \email letter. So now I just have to fill in my recipient name and address line, and I already have my signature scanned in and inserted here. You'll notice that the date here, I inserted it with a quick part by going to Insert, Quick Parts, Field, and then selecting the appropriate field to insert into my document. And then I highlighted it and added it as a quick part. Let's say that you find lots of different quick parts to add in Microsoft Word, and you don't want to have to go through this process every time to add a macro. You can just select something, click Quick Parts, Auto Text, go down to Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery, right click on that, and click Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now you see a little icon here at the top that you can click every time to create a new macro. A simple macro is effective for quickly duplicating phrases, forms, and documents that are frequently used. Let's say I have a document that's a custom document, but I need to add something specific to it that I use quite often. Here I have a legal document, an affidavit, and in order to be notarized it needs an acknowledgement. So I've created, it needs a jurat actually, so I've created a jurat notary block. So I have \jurat. And you notice that when I do the macro, it automatically keeps the format that I had previously. You see this is Arial 11, down here is Arial 11, and then I've got my date automatically inserted into my macro as a quick part. The pros of macros are that they're accurate, they're quick, and you don't risk disturbing a form document. In other words, you won't accidentally write over or accidentally alter your form document. Some of the cons you need to watch out for is that just because you have a macro, you still need to read your document, you still need to proof it. But this will save time when you're preparing your documents or forms. Thank you.